How to use EasyPaisa account without app. Now it is absolutely possible to use the EasyPaisa account without app, and for that you can simply use via their USSD code, right? So when you dial their USSD code, you will find these options. Now the USSD code is, if you're using Telenor, you have to dial *786# for Telenor. I repeat, *76#. And if you're using Zong or Ufone or Jazz, you have to dial *2262#. So I repeat, *2262#. And when you do that and you enter your CNIC number and so on, you'll find these type of options. Now here you can choose to make a bill payment or view your account details and so on. And this is a simple way on how you can use EasyPaisa account without app. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.